Start. This writ petition has been filed for quashing the order dated 25 to 1995 by which the petitioner had been compulsory retired in exercise of powers under section 56 within bracket C of the UP Fundamental Rules. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are that petitioner, who was a judicial officer in the state of Uttar Pradesh, was promoted to the higher judicial service by order dated 23/7/1984. Subsequently, in view of the provisions of Rule 27 of the UP Higher Judicial Service Rules 1975, he had been granted the selection grade in the higher judicial service. Thereafter, he was selected for appointment to the post of President, District Consumer Forum. He stood transferred on administrative ground for Saharanpur to Balia. He was awarded adverse entry on the basis of the inspection report of the Honorable Administrative Judge, and thus he was compulsorily retired under the said rules 56C of the Fundamental Rules. Hence, this petition is dismissed. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that petitioner's service record has been excellent. He had been not only promoted to the UP Higher Judicial Service but was also granted the selection grade. There was no occasion for the High Court to recommend the compulsory retirement of the petitioner. Allowing the officer to cross the efficiency bar or promoting to a higher pay scale takes away the effect of every adverse entry, even if such an entry is in existence. Therefore, even if there was some adverse entry against the petitioner, that could not be taken into account. The proper procedure has not been followed. The orders impugned are therefore liable to be quashed. Learned counsel for the petitioner, placing reliance upon the judgment in High Court of Judicature versus Sarnam Singh 2002 SCC 339, stressed that since new rules made by the state government under Article 309 of the Constitution specifically provides that the judicial officers would retire on attaining the age of 60 years. Therefore, it was no longer open to the High Court to have scrutinized the service record of the petitioner, who was entitled to continue in service up to the age of 60 years. Thus, the order of compulsory retirement passed by the state government on the recommendation of the High Court was wholly erroneous. On the other hand, Sri K.R. Sirohi, learned counsel for the respondents, submitted that petitioner's service record was not satisfactory. Inspection report of the administrative judge in 1994 was far from satisfaction. Integrity of the petitioner was found doubtful. It was based on the visit of the Honorable Inspecting Judge to District Saharanpur on 6/10/1994. A gist of the entry was that he does not enjoy good reputation. Therefore, there is no justification for this court to examine the case of the petitioner. The procedure required for the purpose has been followed strictly. The Rule 56C permits the exercise of power to give compulsory retirement to such an officer. No flaw can be found with the orders impugned, and the petition is liable to be dismissed. The Honorable Supreme Court reconsidered the said decision, and upon consideration of the powers and authority of compulsory retirement, the court held that under Rule 56C, which empowers the High Court to pass an order of compulsory retirement after an employee attains the age of 50 years, the High Court, in exercise of its competence, may pass the order of compulsory retirement simply because of the increase in retirement age under the Uttar Pradesh Judicial Officers Retirement on Superannuation Rules 1992. Rest of the rules providing for compulsory retirement would not be nugatory and are not repealed. Stop.